Ladies and gentlemen, this is a short tutorial how to use ACD Labs software to process your NMR data. This program is free for academic use and can be downloaded by any university academician. The installation is pretty simple, and after installation you will use so-called 1D NMR processor. So upon installation, the icon will appear either on your program files list or on your desktop, so please feel free to click on it. After launching the program, you will see this blank page. All you have to do is just to import your file from which were saved or transferred from your broker machine. Right now we're gonna process the NMR data for NO dimethacrylyl hydroxylamine. Each file goes with the folder in it, and in this folder you will need the click the folder 1 and find the feed file. By clicking the feed file and open, you will see the regular Fourier degradation spectra, which you have to process with the Fourier transformation. All you have to do is just to click on it. In order to make sure that the baseline is adjusted properly and doesn't look this skewed, you have to click the face button, and you will be offered 3 different options: auto simple, auto BL, or auto symmetry. Usually we stick with the auto simple or auto BL. It's upon your taste. To make sure that the spectra has a reference, you have to find the signal of your interest. I mean, all signals are approximately precise, or precisely not very precise, and you have to assign it properly. You have to go to analysis, reference, and enter mode. By clicking the signal, you will be provided with various options of the sit-natural residual signals. Please make sure that our spectra was recorded in chloroform. We shall click chloroform. If we're not satisfied with the data that is given, we can always edit it to 27 or 28, but let us put 727. Updates, click OK, and by magnifying this area, you can easily find out that it is 727 right now. Make sure that you save the old adjustments by clicking the green ticked button. Demagnify it back. To make sure that the signals are assigned properly, please go ahead and click on the pick picken button. It may assign all signals automatically, but if you don't like it, you can always clear it. You may use also the option of picking by pick, and go in and click on each signal of your interest, but it is not very convenient if your spectra is very complex. In our case, I don't want to go ahead and magnify the area and click all signals one by one. Right, I will just go ahead and choose the peak level, which provides it with the line, and by clicking this line, all signals that goes below this line will be automatically assigned. Ta-da! Now, as our spectra is properly assigned and referenced, we now can go ahead and do the integration. Don't forget to click the green tick button after you're done referencing. Integration is done by clicking the integration mode. The magnify button is provided very easily. These protons correspond to the vinyl protons of the compounds, and all you have to do is just to click the manual button. You can click and declick it. So don't forget to go back from the magnifying mode. So as you can see, they're all pretty much equal. You can easily calibrate them. You can choose either this one, or this one for calibration, or you can use this one for calibration. And these two methyl groups can be also magnified and integrated. Sorry. We have the manual mode still. Now, to assign the signals, you can go to the chem sketch, write the structure. Right now, we're dealing with the regular chem sketch structure editor, which is very easy to use. It has all drawing options which ChemDraw has, so it's not a big deal just to write the regular structure. Don't mention that the structure will look a bit wacky, but it is very easy to adjust by clicking this button, and as you drag the mouse to the structure button, you will see the so-called attached structure to the current spectrum. You can do the so-called assignment by dragging the signal to the corresponding methyl group on the structure. Sorry, this goes to here. I will not assign the vinyl protons, but you can do it yourself. It's very easy, simply to do. Now, as our signals are all assigned, we may do the annotation for each signal. Like this is an H, and this is a chloroform. And everything else. Now we're done with this, and to report it or like present it as a more publishable way, you can go and export this report to PDF. The PDF report is adjustable. First of all, you can adjust the area from, say, -1 ppm to 10 ppm. The height is also adjusted, and as you can see, it is given with the full height, but you can adjust it to 3. Also, you can include the table of the peaks, table of assignments. In the view mode, you can include the chemical structure, the shifting of the atoms, the integrals. You can also add some text. like tutorial and include the user information if needed. And it will give you a window to save the file. Let's say it is called tutorial. Now it is saved in PDF file and you may easily check it out. It has a structure with assignment signals. As you can see, it's not the full height of the. It also has the signals. It has annotations. It has data. All you will need for the publication. But if you don't need that messy stuff, you can again go to the main menu, click the export to PDF, and delete the text of user information, page title. You can make sure that the chemical structure is there, but remove the shifts and spectrum labels. Of course, we will need the integrals. Sorry, and spectral labels. We will need the horizontal scales. We don't need any table. And yes, we don't need the whole spectrum, but the very narrow area from -1 to 10, and the height of 4.1 is also okay. Now we will save it as tutorial, say 2, and it's easy to check out. Now you may see the spectrum looks way better, and you may put it in your support information. If you're not happy with the red lines that appears on the spectrum, you can go ahead to the integration, remove the manual mode, and drag these red lines of integrals far away. Like this way. Another minute. Now, again, export file. Let's call it tutorial 3. Save and check it. Now you see the red lines are gone. The integrals are there. The assignments kept. The signals are there. If you're not happy with this numbering of the atoms, we can also remove that easily, like export file, view, no, it is done by view, structure, sorry, view, atom numbers, view, and it comes without the numbers, and assignments, clear, all assignments are gone, and view, atom numbers are also gone, and by